Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. I am your English teacher Lyris Sunny, and today we are going to start a new topic, nouns number. But before we start our class for today, let us revise that what are nouns. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. I hope everyone remembered it, right? Nouns can be singular, which means only one. A bottle, one boy, a koala, a whale, one worm. These all are one thing, right? It means they are singular nouns. And what does plurals mean? Plurals means more than one, means it is more than one, means a group of people, a basket of fruits, a group of animals, right? They are more than one. They are in groups, right? So that is why we called it plural. Okay, singular means only one and plural means more than one. Okay, now let's start our class for today. Nouns number. Let's see what is nouns number. A word which indicates whether a noun is singular or plural is known as number. A noun has two numbers, the singular number and the plural number. See, noun is divided into singular nouns and plural nouns. As I have explained here before also, that singular nouns are related to one person or one item, and plural nouns related to more than one person or item. See the examples here. Book means one book and books means more than one books, right? When we add s to the word, that becomes plural. Okay, boy, boys, man, men. man is man. Okay, this is a singular this counts for a singular man, and men means we change a to e, that is the plural noun. Okay, man is singular noun and men is plural noun. Girl, girls. Then see some more examples of a singular noun. Again, singular means only one noun, right? Girl, boy, car. Plural noun means two or more nouns. Examples: girls, boys, cars. See? To change the singular noun or form of the word to its plural form, we usually add s to the end of the word. Examples: balloon, balloons, right? When we change the word, singular word, into a plural form, we usually write s to the word. We add s, letter s to the word to make it plural. Spoon, spoons. Map, maps. Chair, chairs. What are plural nouns? Now see, a plural noun names more than one person, place, animal or thing, and for this we have to use different rules. Okay, for plural noun we use different rules for different words, and that I will explain you all in this slide now. First is add s. Means in the simple plural nouns we usually write s, letter s to the word to make it plural. Okay, see the examples here: dream, dreams; flower, flowers; shoe, shoes. Then in the second rule, what we do is we add es to the particular words. Lunch, lunches. See here, in lunch we add es, right, and make it plural. So lunch changes into lunches. Then flash, flashes; mess, messes; box, boxes. Okay, then in the third rule we will have to drop the letter y and add ies to the following words: baby, babies. See, we drop y here in the plural form and add ies to the word to make it plural. Baby, babies; family, families; story, stories. Then the fourth rule is that we drop f or fe from the following words and add ves to that word. For example, wolf, we will drop the letter f and we will add ves to the word to change it into plural form. Okay, wolf, wolves; shelf, shelves. See, we have dropped f here and we add es to the word, ves. Okay, then wife, wives. I have not written here fe, but keep it in your mind that whenever fe comes to the word in a singular noun, you have to drop fe and add ves to the word. Okay, either it's the words end with f or fe, you have to drop the last words and last letters and add ves to that word. Okay, then there are irregular nouns. What are irregular nouns? Irregular noun means something that completely changed the word spelling and we don't add s in that. See, mouse changes into mice. See, we have completely changed the spelling of the word, right? Then man changes into men. I have explained you in the previous slide as well that man will change into men. A changes into e here. Then foot, feet. Here we change double o to double e in the plural form. Then person changes into people. Then deer will be same for the plural noun as well. Okay, deer, singular deer, and plural will be also deer here. Then child changes into children. Tooth, teeth. Woman, woman. See, as I have told you all that in man changes into men. In the same way, woman also changes into woman. Okay, then goose, geese. We usually change double o to double e in the plural form. Okay, but there are some words which are not changed at all. I have given example of deer here. You can also see the word sheep. Sheep also doesn't change in the plural form, and there are lots more words which does not change their spelling in the plural form. Okay, students? Now, as you all have understood about the nouns number nicely and the plural nouns, we will do a practice exercise here first. Okay? What we have to do is we just need to add S to the following words here in this first exercise. Okay? Turn these words into plural using rule 1. Rule 1 was this one. We have to add S here. Okay? Car, cars. Pen, pens. Fig, figs. Dog, dogs. Ball, ball will changes into balls. Pencil, pencils. Coat, coats. Shoe, shoes. Flag, flags. Book, books. Table, tables. Tree, trees. In all these singular words, we are just going to add S to make it plural form. Okay? Now comes the rule number 2. In this, if the words end in S, SH, CH or X, then add ES to that word. Okay? For example, box, boxes. What we have to add here? ES. This is the second rule. I will show you all the previous slide again. See, we have to add ES to the word. Okay? Bush, bushes. Glass, glasses. Watch, watches. Church, churches. Brush, brushes. Dish, dishes. Witch, witches. Fox, foxes. Beach, beaches. Wish, wishes. Now I will show you all the solve exercise which I have solved it for y'all. See, as I have told y'all, you have to add S in the first exercise and ES in the second exercise. Right, students? Now let's do one more exercise. To form the plural noun of singular nouns that end in a consonant and Y, change the Y to I and add ES. It means lady changes into ladies. This I have explained y'all in the previous slide. Okay? IES here, then body will changes into bodies, berry changes into berries. Then you have to change more singular nouns ending in F or FE. Okay? Change F or FE to V and add ES. Means you have to add VES to that words. Examples are given to you all here. Knife will changes into knives. Calf will changes into calves. See, here we have the last two letters FE here, and here we have F, the last letter. So FE changes into VES here, and F also changes into VES. Clear, students? Now see the words, the singular words. Leaf, sky, wolf, army. Leaf will changes into leaves. We will add VES here. We will drop F and we will add the letters VES here. Okay? Then sky will changes into skies. Y will changes into IES. Wolf will changes into wolves. VES, right? army, armies, half, halves, butterfly, butterflies, loaf, loaves, fairy, fairies, cherry, cherries, life, lives, daisy, daisies, baby, babies, candy, candies, bunny, bunnies, mommy, mommies, wife, wives, daddy, daddies, thief, thieves, spy, spies, supply, supplies. Now see the solve exercise here. This is the solve exercise. As I was telling you all the plurals, same as it is, I have written here for you all to see it clearly. Clear, students? Now I hope you all have understood about nouns number very nicely. So for this we are going to start our book page, okay? But before this, let me remind you all that what are singular nouns? Singular nouns name one person, place or thing, right? And plural noun names more than one person, place or thing, right, students? Now I want you all to take out your junior English books and hold a pencil in your hand. You will have to take out page number 5 of your junior English books. We will first do the list, okay? We will read it out the list, and then we are going to sort out our exercises by taking the help of the following list, okay? Chief, chiefs, chimney, chimneys, deer, deer, diary, diaries, disco, discos, factory, factories, goose, geese, hero, heroes, man, men, mouse, mice, ox, oxen, photo, photos, piano, pianos, potato, potatoes, chef, chefs, shelf, shelves, son-in-law changes into sons-in-law, okay? Thief, thieves, turkey, turkeys, wolf, wolves. I hope you will not find any difficulty regarding this exercise, because I have explained you all very well about singular and plural nouns, right? Okay, now we will do exercise A first. The first word is piano. Piano will changes into pianos, right? Write pianos here. Then second word is chef. Chef word changes into chefs. Chimney will changes into chimneys. Then hero. Hero changes into heroes. Mouse will changes into mice. Here it is. Then diary will changes into diaries. Goose will changes into geese. Photo will changes into photos. Thief will changes into thieves. Chief changes into chiefs. Deer will be the same. Deer, the plural form of deer as well as deer, okay? Then disco will changes into discos. Factory will changes into factories. son-in-law changes into sons-in-law, and man changes into men. Clear, students? Then exercise B, write the missing words. The words are given to y'all, the singular words are given to y'all. Y'all are going to change the words into plurals here. Okay? The first word is factory. What you will write here? Many factories, right? Y word will changes into IES, right? Then turkey, a flock of turkeys. Chief, two chiefs. Potato, a sack of potatoes. Then thief, a gang of thieves. You have to take the help from this list only if you find any difficulty regarding the exercises. Okay? Then from 6 onwards, you all are going to do it by yourself. Okay? Wolf, piano, deer, ox, mouse. This you all are going to do it by yourself. Okay? Including exercise C. Now comes the solve exercise. If you have missed it anything, you can see it from here. I have taken the help from the list only and sort out the exercises. Now the following exercise, exercise B, you all are going to do it by yourself from 6 to 10 onwards. Okay? Then you have to do the home task as well, that you have to do exercise C in the work and then in the copy. This is exercise C. Rewrite the sentences changing the nouns in bold type to the plural number and making any other changes which may be necessary. If you find any changes that it is necessary, then only change the sentence, otherwise there is no need. Okay? The thief removed the turkey from the shelf. Now here we change the singular words into plural words. Okay, plural nouns. Thief will changes into thieves, turkey will changes into turkeys, and shelf will changes into shelves. The thieves removed the turkeys from the shelves. Okay, I have done one sentence for you just to make you all understand that how you all are going to do this. Okay, first you all are going to write the first sentence, and then you have to rewrite that sentence by changing the singular words into plural form. Okay, then the chief put away his knife. Third is the hero had his photo taken. Fourth is the child looked at the little white mouse. 5. The fox looked longingly at the goose. Okay, now how you all are going to do this work? First, you all are going to write this list, the singular and the plural list, in the copy by first write the heading of the topic in your English language copy, then copy this list, the same list in your copy, then do exercise A in the copy, then B along with exercise C in your English language copies. Okay, I hope you understood about the home task. You have to do all the homework given to you from the first lesson till the present one in your copy. Okay, marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework and activities. This is all for today. Take very good care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all.